Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to transfer USDC from Coinbase to Payoneer. Now, first I want you to launch up Coinbase and click here on send. Okay, if you don't have a payment method added yet, you'll need to go ahead and add that when you're withdrawing. So you choose your crypto, then select your payment method. Here you need to add your bank account, okay, your Payoneer bank account. So select this. All right, search here for Payoneer, or if you see it right here, you can search it up as well. But once you find Payoneer, right, I want you to go ahead and click on this once you've added that. Okay, click on continue. Just enter the amount of USDC, whatever currency you want to send. Enter the amount and then send that. Okay, and it will arrive. It's really that easy and simple. So make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to find your solution.